Yo, what is up, Crockxen clan members, Elysian League fans, and others who stump on this video? I'm SoresanCrockxen, and today we're here with week 10. I am battling my close friend, North. We've been friends for years now, and this is the match that he's actually told me he doesn't feel good right now. I don't know. I feel bad, but I'm ready to go. And I can't wait to fight him. I was looking forward to it. I am technically his mentor, so this is gonna be the mentor to student match. So we'll see how this goes. So I'm gonna let him know that we can start now, and I think I'm gonna lead off with I think I'm gonna lead off with Tornadus. Honestly, I don't know what speed. Actually, no. We're not doing that. We're gonna lead off with Darmanitan. All right, so this is perfect because I can basically get a kill here. I am faster than this thing. Were you faster? I was faster with Tornadus. Whoops. Oh well. Anyway, something is about to die. So we shall take this with a Flare Blitz. This thing is definitely going to be a problem, so I definitely want to get rid of it as quickly as possible. So there we go. Miss Magus is gone, blown away. Good. Okay, that's what we got this. Honestly, he had no switch-ins to that, so that was probably his best option. I'm going to predict a Sucker Punch, so I'm gonna go out to Sock. Let's see if I was right. Yes, perfect. Alright, so now do I predict? What do I want to predict here? I'm predicting the Reuniniclus, so I'm gonna go for knockoff. That did absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. What do I want to do here? I think I'm gonna go out to Registeel. Get out of my mind. I'm gonna go out to Registeel right now. He can't really touch me. Because Registeel's a boss. He says get out of my mind because I predicted that switch. Perfect. Set up these rocks. He goes for flamethrower. That's okay. I don't want to make any crazy plays yet. I just want to get up my rocks right now so that they'll stay on. Okay, look at that. Yum. Tasty. And you know what's perfect? I have rest on this man. So, I think I'm going to go for it. I'm going to go for the rest. Yummy. What do I want to do here? He's gonna go for flamethrower again. I don't know what kind of set he is. I'm gonna burn Turret Sleep though. Okay, so he's just going for flamethrower. I'm gonna go out to Darmanitan. I can take one. And kill something with a flamethrower. Actually, I'm gonna go for U-turn. Yeah. Do I want to do that? I'm gonna go for U-turn. Okay, so let's see. What? Earthquake? Trying to think of what his possible move is. He's not going for flamethrower again. I think I'm gonna go out to Weezing. He goes for the Volt Switch. That's just fine. Send out your Heracross. Or you can send this out. That's fine. I'm pretty sure our knockoff will still kill me. I'm gonna go for Will-O-Wisp though. Oh, it didn't kill me. Perfect. Get the burn. Nice. I like that. I like that very much. So I'm gonna go for the Pain Split here. That is fine. I have nothing else to hit him with, so give me some of that HP back. And then this is a predicament here. Ah, whatever. Nice hidden power flying. It's probably gonna go out to this thing. Okay. I don't need wheezing anymore. Wait, I'm faster? How am I faster in this thing? Anyways, we're gonna go out to Sock. Go for that nice Earthquake. Boom. That nice Mold Breaker. I love that move so much. The Heracross is here. I'm gonna go out to Cofagrigus. Yes. Yes. Go for Infestation. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. If he decides to bring in his Lopunny, it'll be stuck. Perfect! Infestation complete. And now I can go for a Toxic. He's gonna get rid of his Mummy, or I'm gonna get rid of his Scrappy. So it's over. This thing is done. This is great. Now all I gotta do is Toxic, and this little Punny is pretty much dead. So that's pretty good. Can't switch out because of Infestation. He forfeited. No, come on, man. That's the thing I didn't want. I didn't want him to forfeit. That's just not. I feel bad now. I feel really bad. Oh well, guys, I guess that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you spending your time watching this video, but he forfeited, so yeah. Anyways, I've been SoresanCrockxen, and I'll see you guys in future videos.